they should not exist, a theory-defying explanation for galaxies in the early universe has been found. Welcome to the Space Diary channel. Before watching, I want to ask you to help our channel by liking and subscribing. The Webb Space Telescope has detected very bright galaxies at the dawn of the universe, but they could not have appeared so quickly after the Big Bang. Scientists have found out what really happened. According to a study published in the journal Astrophysical Journal Letters, astrophysicists have found an explanation for the existence of galaxies in the early universe that violates the standard model of cosmology. Live science reports. According to modern theories, the first clusters of stars began to form protogalaxies in the first couple of 100 million years after the Big Bang. 1-2 billion years after the birth of the universe, protogalaxies turned into dwarf galaxies, which began to collide and merge into more massive objects. In this way, huge galaxies similar to the Milky Way appeared. But the Webb Space Telescope discovered that as early as 0.5 billion years after the Big Bang, very bright galaxies were already in space. This means that they must have a very large mass and have several hundred billion stars in their composition. But this violates the standard model of cosmology, and accordingly, such galaxies should not exist. After all, in order to gain a huge mass and so many stars, the evolution of such galaxies must be very fast, and this violates modern theories. But the authors of the new study, using computer modeling, found that these early galaxies do not necessarily need to have enormous mass to be very bright. In fact, they all fit the standard model of cosmology, and there are no violations of theories. Have modeled the conditions of galaxy evolution using various available data on the early universe, and have come to an unexpected discovery. Instead of gaining enormous mass very quickly and accordingly becoming very bright, early galaxies actually experienced very rapid process of new star formation. In other words, stars appeared much faster than in much later periods of the universe's life. That's why the first galaxies are so bright. According to scientists, stars in the early universe appeared when they attracted surrounding gas very quickly and then ejected it just as quickly after a very short life, as a result of a supernova explosion. Both of these events led to the appearance of a large amount of radiation. This is where the observed impossible brightness of the first galaxies came from. But after billions of years, the evolution of stars changed, and the process of their formation began to proceed more slowly, and their lifetime increased. So, the new hypothesis suggests that the observed incredible brightness of early galaxies is due to flashes of light during the evolution of the first stars, not to the enormous mass and huge number of these stars. Scientists believe that most of the light was emitted by the largest stars, which lived for only a few million years, and at the same time their number was relatively not large, so the mass of galaxies was relatively small. So far, this is only a hypothesis that needs to be confirmed by a large number of observations of the earliest galaxies in our universe. Was this storytelling interesting for you? Please write your opinion in the comments below. This will help us to find the most interesting information for you. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow for more interesting videos.